Is your undersink cluttered with lots of cleaning supplies and bottles? Follow us as we bring you through how to organize the space. First, declutter the undersink. After removing the items, clean and disinfect the space. Maximize space between water pipes using a tension rod with storage bins. Extend rod to the length of the cabinet and tighten it. For added stability, you can paste a rod wall adhesive to hold the tension rod. Utilize space fully between pipes with a hook-on storage bin. To protect the inner surface of your cabinet, add in a liner mat. To maximize space beneath, some useful organizing aids include a dual sliding undersink organizer, a Lazy Susan turntable, and a storage bin. Categorize items into categories such as backstock, cleaning brushes, cleaning supplies, and so on. Use a Lazy Susan to corral items. Simply spin to retrieve cleaning bottles now. Decant cleaning powder or Tide pots into a container for easy retrieval. Place bulky and tall cleaning bottles together in a storage bin. You can arrange them according to frequency of use, with commonly used ones at the front. Fold and store unused hand towels and cleaning cloths together. For extra sponges, place them upright so that you can clearly see what you have left. Label items accordingly to their categories. This provides a visual reminder of where items are stored and ensures that everyone in your household knows exactly where things are. You can even hang items like gloves and spraying bottles on a tension rod. Stick a hanging organizer on cabinet doors to create additional storage. Use it to store often used items such as plastic bags. Click on the top right card to learn how to fold them neatly. How do you like the final look of the undersink? Let us know in the comments.